nagpupunta naman tayo ng 25 years anniversary ng District I-35 ng Dasmariñas Assembly. Ngayong araw na to yung 4th degree anniversary po namin na 25 years. Kaya magkita-kita na lang tayo doon. Let's go guys, punta na tayo doon.
We are calling for Sir Anthony Loisages to go in front for our presentation of the Blockade of Appreciation. We would like to call our faithful navigators, Sir Light Roberts, to present the appreciation.
Presentation of Knights of Columbus, 4th degree, Father George J. Matas J. Province, District 5 West, Southern Tagalog, Dasmariñas Assembly, ACN 2634. Block of Appreciation is hereby presented to Sir Knight Danilo A. Sanchez, Luzon South State Deputy, in grateful recognition and sincere appreciation for his invaluable service as keynote speaker during the 25th anniversary celebration with the theme 25 taong magkamakabayan, pananampalataya at pagkakaisa. Your inspiring message and steadfast commitment to patriotism, faith, and unity have greatly contributed to the success and significance of this milestone celebration. Given this 25th day of January 2026 at the Metro Main Clubhouse of Palawan, City of Dasmariñas, Cavite, signed Faithful Navigator Sir Knight Justiniano D. Rementilia, Faithful Program Director Sir Knight Robert S. Sonerio.
Ready, 1, 2. Ay po, one more. Ready, 1, 2. Ay po, thank you po.
Will Matas J. Province, nabaka po tayo sa isang espesyal na bahagi ang pagkilala at pagkakaloob ng pagkakala sa mga taong naging haligi at kabalikan ng ating kapatiran. Pinatawagan din po ang ating faithful navigator, Sir Knight Justiniano D. Rementilia, Sir Knight Robert S. Sonerio, ang ating faithful program director, basahin ko po ang ating citation, Father George J. Matas J. Province, District 5 West, Southern Tagalog, Dasmariñas Assembly, ACN 2634. Block of Appreciation presented to past faithful navigators in grateful recognition of your dedicated leadership, selfless service, and unwavering commitment to the mission of the Knights of Columbus. Your faithful guidance and exemplary service have greatly contributed to the growth, unity, and spiritual strength of the Dasmariñas Assembly ACN 2634, leaving a lasting legacy for the brotherhood. Given the celebration of the 25th anniversary of Dasmariñas Assembly ACN 2634 with the theme 25 taong ng pagkakabayan, pananampalataya at pagkakaisa, presented this 25th day of January 2026 at Metro Main Clubhouse, City of Dasmariñas, Cavite. Signed, Faithful Navigator Sir Knight Justiniano B. Rementilia, Faithful Program Director Sir Knight Robert S. Sonerio. Ang una po natin tinatawagan, ating charter, Faithful Navigator Sir Knight Ruben L. Almaran. Sir Ruben po ay nagsilbi noong 25 years ago, paternal year 2000 to 2002.
Okay, sir. Thank you po. Okay, ready, 1, 2. One more po. Ready, 1, 2. Okay po, thank you.
Lisa.
One more po, ready, 1, 2. Ay po.
Lahat po ng mga PFN natin po na ayan po, picture po tayo.
One more po, ready, 1, 2. Okay po, salamat po.
And another 5 million.
For fraternal year 2004 to 2006.
Okay sir, ready, 1, 2. One more po, ready, 1, 2. Okay po, thank you po.
Ando El Barquilla for fraternal year 2006 to 2007.
Okay po, ready, 1, 2. One more po, ready, 1, 2. Okay, thank you po.
Marcus, fraternal year 2007 to 2008.
May we call
To receive the appreciation. The Honorable Civic Appreciation.
Okay, ready po, 1, 2. One more, ready, 1, 2. Okay, thank you po.
Barquilla 2008 to 2009.
Churching!
Okay po, searching ready, 1, 2. One more, ready, 1, 2.
To Sir Knight Joseph J. Class at fraternal year 2009 to 2010. Represented by Leo Glassar.
Mga bata. Si Gigi.
Okay po, ready, 1, 2. One more po, ready, 1, 2. Okay po, thank you.
Sir Knight Eduardo A. Lara.
Woohoo! Very good!
Okay po, ready, 1, 2. One more po, ready, 1, 2.
Another bucket of appreciation for Sir Knight Tony C. Pantillas, fraternal year 2011 to 2012, and he represented by his lovely wife, Sister Perla Pantillas.
Okay po, ready, 1, 2. One more po, ready, 1, 2. Okay, salamat po.
2013, Sir Knight Yolato El Barquilla.
Okay, thank you po, 1, 2. One more po, ready, 1, 2. Okay, thank you po.
Presented to Sir Knight Neil M. Villanueva, fraternal year 2013 to 2014, and he was received by Sir Knight Alan Moon.
Mga brother. Mga brother.
Okay, ready po, 1, 2. One more, ready, 1, 2. Okay po, thank you.
2015, Sir Knight Edwin A. Gregoria. That will be received by Sir Robert Romero. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay po, ready, 1, 2. One more, ready, 1, 2.
Sir Knight Gerardo C. Serra III, fraternal year 2015 to 2018.
Okay, ready, 1, 2.
Good navigator for fraternal year 2021 to 2023, Sir Knight Robert S. Sorelio.
Okay, ready? 1, 2. Ready, 1, 2. Thank you.
Divide, may we go on Sir Knight Orlando P. Reyes.
Okay, ready po. 1, 2. One more, ready? 1, 2.
Fraternal year 2025 to 2026, our own Sir Knight Christina Maravilla.
Okay, sir, ready? 1, 2. One more po, ready? 1, 2. Okay po, thank you.
So, tinatawag ng ating BFN, yung letter na po, correct na po.
Sir, konti pa, sir. Okay po. Ayan.
Tingin po sa gitna sa ating photographer.
Lahat po ng nasa likod, orange po yan.
Sir Leo. Sir Leo.
Sir Leo, please join us in front.
Dito po. Ito.
Be part of the this lineup. Past
Sir Leo at Tibuhan. Sama po kay Sir. Ilang po, founder po.
Okay. Ayan. Yung nasa likod po, forward pa po konti.
Tingin po sa gitna.
Ayan. Okay po. Okay po. Sa camera, ready? 1, 2. One more po. Ready? 1, 2. Isa pa po. Ready? 1, 2. Okay po.
this appreciation, bouquet of appreciation to our Honorable Mayor Jennifer A. Barsaga, City Mayor of Las Marinas, in grateful recognition and sincere appreciation for distinguished service as keynote speaker for our celebration. This will be received by
Sandy.
our Honorable Councilor, Sir Ashley Guro.
Sandy Ashley.
Okay, so ready? 1, 2. One more po. 1, 2. Okay po. Thank you.
Day of appreciation for today. Ito po ay pinapresent namin kay Worthy Sir Knight Florante Wu, our faithful scribe. Service in our
yung huling ano ni Tito Patit? Sama ni Tito Patit. Ayan o, Tito Patit, kaka kayo. Aman, hindi ako nakasama niya. Hindi ako nakasama niya. Wala. Hindi ako nakasama niya. Maganda nga pala yan iwan yan
Gusto po kami nagpapasalamat sa bawat isa na naging bahagi ng tagumpay na ito. Sa aming mga pangunahing pandahal, mga kapatid na Knights, at sa lahat ng sumuporta sa halalan at naglaan ng oras upang makisa. Sa loob ng 25 taon, pinatunayan natin ang pagkabayanihan, pananampalataya, pakiisa, na siyang pundasyon ng ating samahan. Nawag ang silbi itong inspirasyon upang patuloy tayong maglingkod ng may malasakit at dedikasyon sa Diyos, sa ating komunidad, sa ating kapwa. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyong pakikisa. Sa kasama natin ipagpatuloy ang adikain ng ating kapatiran. Mabuhay ang Dasmariñas Assembly ACN 2634. Mabuhay ang Knights of Columbus. Maraming salamat at magandang araw.
Yun guys, tapos na po yung anniversary ng District I-35 na 25 years at nakuwi na din tayo. Thank you for watching this video. Please come like and share na din po. I'm Lodi Elgin Guzman Vlogs, Elgin DJ Vlogs. Thank you for watching guys, and please support our Facebook page Elgin DJ Vlogs and our YouTube channel Elgin DJ Vlogs din po. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the notification bell and subscribe button para lagi kayo update sa akin mga videos. Bye bye.